Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to do an update video, and if you guys remember a while back I said I had a problem with this window on the driver's side that was squeaking anytime it was rolled down a little bit. So let me go ahead and share exactly how they fixed it and one issue I ran into. So the only problem I had was when you roll this window down, the driver's one, just a little bit or halfway, it didn't really matter. Anytime you went over like a rough road, you'd hear rattling inside the window. So they took all this off, and they determined that it was the window regulator that over time the pads wear on it, so it doesn't hold the window as tight, which will allow the movement of the window when you're going down the road. So they replaced it and everything's perfect. But one issue I had was when I picked up my car, I went to adjust the mirror because the mirror was all out of whack and it wouldn't work. So no matter what you tried to do, the left driver's side mirror would not work. Wouldn't adjust, and I had to make sure that the little slider was in the right position. Nothing. Then I thought, let me see if the blinkers work in it. So I tried the blinker, and sure enough, the driver's side mirror here, the blinker didn't work. So nothing in that mirror worked. The memory setting for the adjustability, the blinker, all of a sudden it didn't work. Now at this point I was still at the dealership because I just picked it up and I was adjusting the mirrors, or trying to, and noticed this whole issue. Then I checked the right side and the right mirror worked fine. Everything over there was perfect. So it was only the left side. So I went and got the service advisor. They took it back. I kind of had a feeling I knew what it was because they have to unplug the mirror when they put a new window regulator in. So they took it right back, took the door panel off, and sure enough, the mirror wasn't plugged in. Now, of course, that's definitely something that should have been checked before they handed it back to me. But I was glad it was an easy fix, and before I left the dealership, they were able to rectify the problem just by plugging it back in, and everything is good. So point being, what I was saying is when you get service done on your car, before you leave the dealership, I would check, depending on what you have, being worked on. Like if they took the right door panel off on this car, make sure everything works before you leave. Because especially if you don't have a warranty, there's no saying that they'll just do warranty work on something that doesn't work all of a sudden. So you might be having to pay for a diagnostic fee for them just to determine what it is, and that could be hundreds of dollars. So my word of advice is no matter what you have being done to your car, double check that, make sure everything is good to go. I know before you didn't have to check it and it was always good, but that's not the case now. I mean, when I get oil changes done, I even pop the hood and make sure the dipstick's in and the fill cap is securely fastened onto the engine. There's been too many times I hear people from dealerships leaving and the oil cap was left off. It sprays oil everywhere and it's a mess. Even if they do cover it, you risk damaging your engine, and it's very hard to get it clean 100% like it used to be. So it just takes a few moments just to make sure everything's good to go. And then you can be confident when you leave that it's actually everything's in working order. Like I said, just no matter what you have done, that's my advice, is double check it and make sure it's good. Make sure there's no dents on your car, grease on the headliner when the techs were in there. Anything like that you can bring to their attention before you leave. It's a lot easier to get it fixed. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate you guys as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.